Let's learn alphabet's vocabulary.
A. Ant. Apple. Aeroplane. A. B. Bird. Bull. Banana. B. C. Crayon. Cat. Cap. C. D. Drum. Dog. Doll. D. E. Egg. Elephant. 8. E. F. Fire. Fan. Fish. F. G. Grass. Gingerbread man. Giraffe. G. H. Hammer. House. Hedgehog. H. I. Ice cream. Iguana. Igloo. I. J. Jam. Joker. Jug. J. K. Kite. Kiwi. Kangaroo. K. L. Lamp. Lego. Loin. L. M. Monkey. Mug. Mailbox. M. N. Nest. Net. Nuts. N. O. Owl. Orange. Oatmeal. O. P. Penguin. penguin, parrot, papaya, P, Q, quilt, queen, quail, Q, R, rabbit, ribbon, rattle, R, S, snake, sun, soccer ball, S, T, tiger, telephone, turtle, T, U, umbrella, unicorn, Uranus, U, V, van, vase, violin, V, W, whale, watch, water, W, X, xylophone, Xbox, X-ray, X, Y, yo-yo, yak, yatch, Y, Z, zip, zebra, zombie, Z,
These were the letters from A to Z with vocabulary. Now let's learn numbers.
0. 0 means nothing. 1. 1 cookie. 2. 2 cookies. 3. 3 cookies. 4. 4 cookies. 5. 5 cookies. 6. 6 cookies. 7. 7 cookies. 8. 8 cookies. 9. 9 cookies. 10. 10 cookies.
These were the number from 1 to 10. Good job, kids! See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe Fun Factory Kids.